energy giving nutrients like carbohydrates, then body building nutrients, proteins, and protective and regulate nutrients, vitamins, and minerals.
Right.
And then last, we have learned about nutrition.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
The
it is the intake of nutrients and its utilization by our body.
and the different modes of nutrition.
Modes of nutrition:
The
autotrophs
autotrophic.
and heterotrophs.
Okay, now
Autotrophs,
yeah, what is autotrophs?
they are the organisms which produce their own food, like plants, and heterotrophs are the organisms which utilize the food of other,
They
like human
depend
beings and
they depend on other organisms or other sources for their food. Okay,
food.
and such organisms are known as heterotrophs. Example,
Heterotrophs.
human beings. And most of the creations and organisms are heterotrophs, which will depend on other types of other organisms. Okay. Now, in heterotrophic nutrition, what are the different types? What are the different types? So I guess you can hear. Okay, now clearly, yeah. Okay, if there is any problem in the audio, please let me know. So as I've written it on the board, it is holozoic nutrition, then there is parasitic nutrition, and then there is saprophytic nutrition, right? Now, what is holozoic nutrition? Can you tell me what is holozoic? What is holozoic nutrition? The mode of nutrition in which the food is taken in the solid or liquid form and which is outside the body and it is digested inside the body. The steps involved are ingestion, digestion, absorption, and excretion, assimilation and then excretion. Okay, so these are the different steps in holozoic nutrition. What is okay? What are the examples for this? The example is human beings, isn't it? Yeah. So please take down the definition for holozoic. You can draw this chart. chart. Now you can take down the definition for Holozoic nutrition. Define Holozoic nutrition. The mode of nutrition, the mode of nutrition in which the food is taken in solid or liquid form, in solid or liquid form, from the outside, from the outside, and is digested inside the body is known as Holozoic nutrition. Holozoic. Holozoic nutrition. The steps involved are, I think Kihan has lost connection. Okay, the steps involved are injection, ingestion, ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, 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 and egestion, egestion. Abdullah, you can hear me? सुनाई दे रहा है तुमको ठीक से अब्दुल्ला? Okay. Last one was egestion, egestion.